Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Ardor SEO, and they're looking for a content writing in SEO and marketing remotely. Ardor SEO is hiring now. Looking to develop your writing skills with a challenging career in high growth marketing company working alongside passionate digital marketing experts. Ardor SEO is the leader in digital marketing because we have results driven approach. We don't focus on search engine rankings or traffic. We focus on conversions and increasing our clients' revenue. And we guarantee results as our process works every time. What does Ardor SEO has to offer? Ardor SEO prides itself on providing an environment in which each individual can flourish and strive to accomplish their goals by providing flexible working schedule with the possibility to work remotely or anywhere in the world. Ardor SEO promotes a healthy work/life balance and multicultural environment in which individuals can learn and grow as a team. They're looking for an exceptional and experienced writer who's published content for large companies/clients and owns and maintains their own websites. Based on your samples and website, we'll know if you are comfortable writing high-end SEO optimized articles, are able to ensure that deadlines are met, have a good grasp of feature writing, are excited to learn new skills to expand your knowledge on a variety of topics, are able to write marketing-focused content that funnels readers to the main pages, are open to take on in-house content writing projects. You can apply to join our vibrant team today in a supportive company that prides itself on results. There will be a link below to apply and join the team. They're looking for full-time, part-time people to work, and the schedule will be self-determined schedule. So if you feel like you are the perfect person for this particular opportunity, I'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. And if not, just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you can find the perfect remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.